Díogwit, Tá mé rash, Jas Shiv a Ecoil Arish. Hello, I'm back and it's nice to see you again. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the front page of an Irish language newspaper. It's called Seachtain and it's released every Wednesday in the Irish Independent, and it's a great source of information for Irish speakers and Irish learners. So I'm going to be going through the main headlines on the front page of this newspaper. So let's get on with it. So as I said, the name of the paper is Seachtain, which means a week, as in the days of the week, Seachtain. And underneath there you'll see Ser Gach Cédín leis an Irish Independent. That means free every Wednesday with the Irish Independent. Sport, spree, agus simsíocht istig. So that means sport, fun, and activities or entertainment inside in the paper. So sport is sport, as you would imagine. Spree is fun or joy, and then simsíocht is activities or entertainment, and then istig is inside, when something is already inside as opposed to going in. Next piece of text here we have crave a cuig un. So that means looking, wanting or desiring 5 titles. This is in reference to the wonderful Dublin Gaelic football team that are going for 5 titles in a row. Crave is a cup or a title, a cuig is to do with 5, and uin is to want or to desire something. So that's the Dublin ladies Gaelic football team going for 5 in a row. Dúchláin mór riamh Ghunangáil in aig Valleachlia. So that means Donegal face a huge challenge in facing Dublin. So Dúchláin is a challenge or a big task of some sort. Mór is big. Riamh is something before someone or somebody, like something laid out before them. Ghunangáil is to do with Donegal, the county of Donegal up in the northwest. In aig is against. So this is easy to remember because aig is a face, and if you're against somebody, you're facing somebody. So in aig Valleachlia, against Dublin. Dúchláin mór riamh Ghunangáil in aig Valleachlia. Moving further down then, ag dul siar go Connemara. So this means going back to Connemara or going west to Connemara. Ag dul is going and siar is west, or it could also mean going backwards depending on the context of the sentence. And then go is to Connemara. Just underneath that then you'll see Feachtas le Dína Nua a Bheala. That means a campaign to attract new people. So Feachtas is a campaign or a crusade of some sort. Le Dína Nua, so that's in relation to new people. A Bheala is to attract or to bring in. Then the main headline at the bottom of the page is Ar Náil na Gaeilge faoi bhlá le 447 or as Gaeilge Caracé da Shacht post fógrathe le blian a nuas. So that literally means the Irish sector is blossoming or booming with the creation of 447 jobs in the past year. So Ar Náil is a sector or a business of some type. Na Gaeilge is Irish, so the Irish sector. So faoi bhlá means under flowers or blossoming, literally. So it just literally means it's doing very well at the moment. Le Caracé da Shacht, so that's with 447. Post is a job. Fógrathe, so this means announced. Fógrathe is announced, having been announced. Le blian a nuas, so that's a handy little phrase. It just means in the past year. Le blian a nuas. And then right at the bottom then, we have an article from the well-known television personality Daithí O'Shea on seansail ag fille leis na cluichí Olympica. So that means normality returning with the Olympic Games. So on seansail means the old life or normal life, you could say. Ag fille is a verbal noun, just means returning or coming back. Leis na, with the, cluichí Olympica, with the Olympic Games. And just at the end then in the red you'll see Lahanig, a dog, a tree. That means pages 2 and 3. So if you enjoyed this video and you enjoyed hearing a little bit about the Irish language news, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comments section. Thanks for watching. Slán go fóill.